Howdy, howdy. Welcome back to another one. And this is going to be a little short episode on the Sawmill and Lumberyard kit from Tyco. As you can see, it is complete. Sorry I did not upload a video of me building it, but long story short, it was really easy. It wasn't really time consuming. It took me about a week to build the kit, and it was basically just a couple hours here and there after work for about 5-6 days, and yeah, got it done. Really easy, self-explanatory kit. That's what it's supposed to look like. I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, it's not like really well made because I did it, haha. But it looks pretty good. I mean, you might see some glue here and there, but whatever. Deal with it. I still got to put the Lumberyard sticker on there, but I thought it turned out pretty good. Got your 2x4s in there. Got some hanging out here. Glued the logs on. So maybe I can, I don't know, use it for a river scene in the future or sell it. I don't know. Who knows? But for now, I'm going to hang on to it and throw it on my little layout. Hope you guys liked this little short video. Like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. I have a video coming up on the foam mountain that I made, and I will show you the completed project of that as well. Got to fix a couple of box cars here, as you can see. Fixed a couple already. Got some stuff in the mail. I'll probably open those up. I just got 3 kits completed, so those are all empty. But yeah, gotta switch a lot of couplers over to the KD couplers because that's what I use. So yeah, just keeping busy after work. Alrighty, guys. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and have a good day. Bye.